Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe.
Today we're unboxing and trying on the TUMI Katy Crossbody. I purchased this crossbody with travel in mind, to hold all of the essentials, perhaps to be used as a day bag, and even as an airport travel companion for all of those really important documents that if you have to grab one thing, have this bag be that. I was originally attracted to this bag because I do have the travel weekender tote bag from TUMI in the black with gold hardware. So it does seem like a perfect match, and I really just love that overall, really seamless transition from the tote bag to the additional little crossbody bag. This bag does come with a protector case, which I always love because it is a very beautiful, thick, nice leather. So we do want to protect it when we're not using it. But all right, onto the bag itself. Of course, I have to show you all the details so you can feel free to pause and make sure that this is the same item that you're looking for online. And now let's get into some of the actual functional details. So this bag has a back pocket, which seems big enough to fit most phones. It does fit my iPhone, although it is a little sticky with my case on it. So keep that in mind. I do have the regular, not the Max. Taking a look at the leather care card. So confirming this is real leather. And then taking a look at the space inside. It does fit a passport width-wise, although the dimensions don't seem like it will, but it does fit. On the front, we have another zip pocket, which this one aggravated me a little bit. It has a key holder, which is nice so that if you throw something in the bottom, you can always pull it out really easily, although the pouch is so small, so I'm not entirely sure that that's necessary. One more note about that front pocket is that it doesn't unzip entirely, so it's kind of like an accordion opening, so it feels a little difficult and challenging to get your fingers in there and actually pull something out. This does come with a strap, which can be adjusted for length or you can double it over. And taking a look at it on, it does fall a little bit lower than I would have liked. I believe this is on the middle adjustment, so it could go a little bit higher, it could go a little bit lower, but overall I thought it was a little bit long for me. Just showing you how you could double it up and maybe make it a little bit tighter. Maybe you can punch a few extra holes and make it, even a crossbody or double it at the arm, but it's not entirely comfortable that way. Overall, if you are looking for a small travel companion, this could be it, although I do think it matters, what your essentials are. Giving you a closer look of the holes that you could adjust this to and just showing you the overall slight length adjustment that this bag could take. So this is the length that it could be at the absolute shortest for the holes that are given. So definitely if you would want it a little shorter, be sure to make those holes on your own. Now there is another TUMI crossbody called the Persia, which we will be reviewing shortly on this channel. I think that will be a better fit for me. It holds a little bit more and just has a different ease of access. If that's of interest to you, be sure to subscribe. And of course, thanks for watching.